Hello everybody, this is Ivan from Feezer Computer Services. Today we're going to set up a iPhone with email. The first thing we want to do is just go ahead and tap on Settings. I'm going to scroll down until we see Mail, Contacts, and Calendar. We're going to hit Add Account. Here we want to select Other and then Add Mail Account. I'm going to type in the email. Or the name and then the email. And then type in your password and a description. And in our case, we're just going to put in Feezer. And then hit Next. At this step, we want to make sure POP is selected. Scroll down to where it says Incoming Mail Server. Here we're going to put in mail.yourdomainname.com. In our case, we're going to put in mail.feezer.com. Username, make sure the full email address is there. So in our case, we're going to do test@feezer. As you can see, the password's already filled in. Scroll down to Outgoing Mail Server. We're going to put in mail.yourdomainname.com. In our case, it's mail.feezer.com. The username and password is optional, but in our case, we will need to put it in. It's going to be the full email address. And then the password. After you made sure that everything is spelled correctly, and we're just going to hit Save at the top, it's going to try to verify. You'll get this message that says cannot connect using SSL. Do you want to try setting up the account without SSL? Just simply press yes here, and it will try to verify. This step can take between 1 minute to 5 minutes, but just let it verify. After the step tries to verify, it will ask you one more time if you would want to set this account up without SSL. We can just hit yes here. In some steps, we might need to go back into the settings. Let's just verify that everything's okay. We're back here in the settings. We're just going to go to the one we created, which is this one here, and just verify that all this stuff is correct. What we will need to do is where it says Outgoing Mail Server, we just hit on SMTP. As you can see, it says no server selected, so we'll need to configure one. So we'll just hit on to hostname, which is going to be the mail.feezer.com. The hostname would be the mail.yourdomainname.com. Username would be the full email address. And your password. After you're done, hit Save. Once again, we'll try to do a verifying step. You'll finally get a message again. This should be the last time you'll get this message, but you'll just hit yes to the cannot connect to SSL. It should put check marks over everything. As you can see, our primary server is set correctly now. We can just hit the back button. And then we also want to just check Advanced, just to make sure that all the settings are set. SSL should always be turned off. As you can see, it's not lit as green as showing on. So we want to hit Authentication, go to Password, just make sure that one is checked. Make sure delete from server never, and the port number is 110 for POP. Let's go ahead and hit the back button. We want to hit onto the SMTP server one last time, go into primary server, and make sure that the SSL is turned off. As you can see, it's not green. Authentication, make sure it is set to password. Just make sure that is checked. You can select back, and the port number is 587. Everything looks good there. We'll hit done. Apparently the password is incorrect. Make sure that is also filled in. Down there, it says optional, but we'll make sure that that is put in there. After check marks have been placed, you can hit the back button and hit done. When you hit check marks all through there and your account is set up, you are all good to go. If you have any other questions, just give us a call at 610-363-5000 or simply email us at support@feezer.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.